Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today I am going to tell you a short story of two friends, Soham and Sam, who are playing football. So look, listen and read aloud with me. Soham and Sam are playing football. Soham and Sam are playing football. Sam kicks the ball. It goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Sam asks for the ball. Excuse me, may I have the ball please? Sure, here it is. After some time, again the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Now, Soham asks for the ball. Give me the ball. No, I won't, said Mr. Mane. Why does Mr. Mane say no? How is Soham feeling? How is Mr. Mane feeling? Soham tries again. Uncle, may I have the ball please? How does Mr. Mane feel now? Thank you, said Soham. Dear students, here are 4 questions. Number 1. Why does Mr. Mane say no? Because Soham was asking for the ball arrogantly. Number 2. How is Soham feeling? Soham felt very bad and he realized his mistake. Number 3. How is Mr. Mane feeling? Mr. Mane was very upset. Number 4. How does Mr. Mane feel now? Now Mr. Mane felt sorry for him and he returned his ball.